how to add your own songs to a Snapchat story. First, make sure you are using the latest version of your Snapchat app from the App Store or Play Store on your device. Then open Snapchat app on your phone. On the top right, you will see an icon with a music note. Tap on this icon. Once it opens, you will see options like Featured My Favorites and Trending. Go to My Favorites tab. In this, select My Sound. Find the song you want to put as a story or click on Create Sound to make your current own song. Below, you will see two options will pop up: upload from camera roll or record sound. Choose your preferred one. I'm going with upload from camera roll. Then choose the video from which you want to extract audio. Once selected, name it to the audio. Then click on save sound. Now select your save sound, record a video for your story while the song plays in the background. Then look at the bottom of the screen, tap on story option to share it. Now you can check your shared song story here, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.